Okay, hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm still thinking of like what I could call you guys. So I'm gonna like just write down some names. Okay, so first I can call you. What could I call you? I could call you the E-Beans. E-Beans. I could call you the E-Beans. I could call you, so the first option is E-Beans. Second option is, I'll be your decision on Instagram, so I'll be right back. So actually, hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm just doing another intro now because I just kind of already done it. So today's one is going to be 2 and 1. So I'm going to be showing you all my slimes. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got like 6, but actually I've got 7. The other one is yet to be found. But comment down below which one is missing. So as you guys know, I done a brush pen, like brush which one is best at. Brush my face. Now I'm gonna do a tutorial on you how to do like eye drop thing. So let's just get started. For example, you could just like draw an eye. I'm just going to do this really quick like this. For example, you just draw this eye really nicely. I just done it really quick. You would rub out just that tiny line and a bit of inside and like draw like a little circle like this. Like you could do this if you want or whatever you're going to do. So you would like shade in the sides, like particularly this side. A bit of it, but mostly at the bottom here, like right here, and you would shade all around here. So that's the 2 bits. So I'm just gonna do it here. Well, that's not really a good example like this. Okay, so what you do is like do this, do a really dark round and do a lighter one. This is gonna be really fast. It won't be as good as your attempt. And it'll just be better than, mostly better than this. Usually it turns out good, but this time I done really fast and I take a long time on doing it. So just like shading this parts and the bottom parts right there. That's what you have to do. Okay? See, it's spotless. Okay, so let's start with this white one. As you guys know, we made this such a long time ago. It's like a milk one. Now it's turned into something really messed up, but I'm going to be trying to fix some of these in this video as well, and I'm going to talk about them. This kind of turned blue because I added blue pen to it, but okay. It's not as sticky as before, but it's still sticky. Okay. It's gooey, and then my finger hurts a lot. It's really gooey. It's like one of those, see like those kind of like weird cheap slimes you'd get from like a pound shop. Well, a bit less grosser than that. Like this one's like actual kind of like a slime, but like a weird type of slime. Ooh, this is actually pretty good. As you can see, it's like nearly coming into a swirl. You can't even see, can you? Okay, let me just change the camera. I like that. That's really nice. So that's one of my slimes. Let's move on. This one is, oh my god, this is like 3 slimes in here. Okay. But this is actually all clay, but I feel like this is a burst slime, but it's kind of going a bit harder than burst slime. Like, we can just add this to any, but there is actually a slime in here. So, other than that, we've got this one as well. This one is much better. I like this one more. This is a cloud slime, the only cloud slime I have right now. See, it's like stringy, but I need to make that more, so I think we'll edit that one in some other views. Okay, let's move on. Oh my god, that just sounds so satisfying. Okay, let's play with... That just sounds so satisfying. Okay, now what we're gonna do is mix both of them together. So what? This one's much better than that one, so I don't know if I should. Okay, I'm not gonna mix both of them because this one is like totally more rough. So I'm gonna keep them separate slimes for now. But how amazing is this one? Okay. This one. Okay. This is like a mini slime. It's really kind of metallic. I already fixed this one, so that's the one I'm not gonna fix, definitely. I did 2 last time. I think I might do 3. I'm just like thinking which ones to do right now. So that was a pretty good slime. Let's just go into this one straight away. Okay. I've been to this one for a long time. Like, it's just been in my drawer. I just don't care about it a lot. That's my other ones. Okay, this is like one of the gems, and they're supposed to just be green, like that. But like some of the greenness is falling off. Falling isn't a word. This slime's pretty good and it's crunchy, but I don't like it sticky, so that's why I don't have an activator. So that sucks. But when I have an activator, I will definitely fix this one. Probably just fix the color until I get activator, so yeah. Can make this, so let's just go with this one. This one is my favorite, and I did fix it. It's, oh my god. Okay, this is like really hard. I don't know why, maybe because of the gel I used, because it's just really, really hard. And it is a butter slime, but I don't expect a butter slime to be this hard. Let's see if we can still poke. Looks like a pip color, but yeah. Okay, so we just played with all these slime, just on one, if you can guess, but whatever. So the ones I'm going to be redoing is this one, and this one, probably. So let's just move these away and I'll be right back. So now, I got all the stuff I need. So let me just move everything to their own place. I'm gonna start with this slime, like these slimes. So I'm gonna start with this one, then I'll move on, of course. Okay, let's do slime roasting. Okay, I don't like the feeling of it. I don't like that it's not like that cloudy and it's pretty hard. Not like a cloud slime. It's supposed to be soft. It may look soft, but it is hard because it's clay. But we're gonna try and fix this. So yeah, slime's clay. So we're gonna turn it into slime. Both of these. Look, it's just okay. I just don't like the color, so that's why I'm fixing it. And this one, just want to just do it for fun. Yep. So this is kind of dried out a bit, but not a lot. You know what I mean. So I'm gonna add a bit of time to it because I've never done cloud slime before, so I'm just like, well, I did do it before, but I only added a tiny bit, not like a lot, like usually you would. Now it's kind of like grippy. It's supposed to be like that. So I think I'm just gonna add the rest of this, and then that will be me finished for it. Oh my gosh, this is really nice. It's a really nice cloud slime. Let's see if we can poke. Should be able to like smooth it out, but yeah, I don't know. Don't know what cloud slimes do, so if you do know what cloud slimes do, just comment down below. What? I hardly hear any of the action or like. Today there's some noise in the background, but not as loud as before. Because I did close my door for once in a lifetime. And I think the video after this, or the video before this, is my cousin. Yeah, because she's coming over after this video. Whoa. If this video gets put after the video I made with my cousin, or if I don't make a video, then it's just confusing. I always say this, but then like my cousin doesn't end up coming early. Okay, so we just fixed the slime and got the words. It's pretty good. It's gooder than before, and I think I'm just gonna add a tiny bit of glitter, and then I end up adding the full bottle. Sorry if I need to blow my nose or just sneeze because I feel sick today, so I don't want to do a video every day, so I at least try, and yeah. Okay, so I think we're finished this one, and let's move on to the next one. I don't know how I'm going to turn this slime, but let's just add a tiny bit of baby oil. That was like too much, but fine. This is a fact. Today, I came home from school early and I left my bag, so it's in school right now. I need to go pick it up tomorrow. It's that really nice fancy bag. Yep. I'm really angry because my brother should have taken it, but just mad at that. Let's just add these two together because I just don't want to do anything at all with the other slime. So it's basically slime, so let's move on. I'm gonna add a bit of yellow to it. This was my only white slime, and now we've got yellow slime instead. Close to white. Ooh, this is turning yellow pretty easily. Then I'm going to take all the yellow ones from the palette and put it in here because I want to make it better. Maybe a bit more yellow would do. Okay, I'm just gonna keep mixing this. Let's just mix. This is making it a bit bigger and less stickier, I guess. I don't know, it's making it more stickier or less. I don't know. So let's take this and find all the yellows or the browns. Oh, that one. Okay, so I want the white. This peach. Guys, we've got a problem. We cannot film the rest of this video because there's a problem with my phone and my camera, so I would need to like end this video right now, and yeah, we'll make this one next time. So this is only going to be yellow metallic slime, so yeah. Goodbye, guys. Remember to leave a like and subscribe because I upload every week. Bye.